Hey, welcome to the podcast. I was just looking at my bank app and man, that payday feeling is something else, isn't it?
Oh, I know exactly what you mean. It's like the minute that salary hits, you're suddenly negotiating with yourself. Do I save it or do I go for that strategic joy, as they say?
Strategic joy. I love that. But honestly, it usually ends up being an impulse purchase for me, buying something sudden just because the mood is right.
Totally. And it's hard because we're often tired or stressed when we make those choices. We're not just buying a thing, we're buying relief for 10 minutes.
Right? And then I spend the next hour trying to justify the expense. Like, oh, I didn't buy this fancy coffee machine for fun. I bought it for productivity.
Classic. But then there's the other side, delayed gratification. Like skipping the shoes now so you can actually afford a trip later. It's a constant battle between present you and future you.
It really is. And I think that's why people talk about having a financial cushion. It's not just money. It's like oxygen for your brain when life gets messy.
Exactly. It gives you breathing room. The material mentioned that living within your means, making sure your lifestyle matches your actual income, is really the key to that peace of mind.
But don't you think some people go too far? Like they save so much they forget to actually live?
Oh, definitely. That's the extreme. You need some discretionary spending, the money for hobbies or eating out. Otherwise, life just feels like one long waiting room.
I guess it's all about weighing the pros and cons before hitting buy, like asking what the opportunity cost is. If I buy this now, what am I saying no to later?
Exactly. Even a 5-second pause can change everything. It turns a desperate impulse into an actual choice.
That's a great way to put it. Well, I'm definitely going to think twice before my next mood upgrade phone purchase.
Good luck with that. It's all about that balance.
Well, this was a great talk. Thanks for joining me.
Yeah, it was fun. Catch you later.